guys. Snow is starting. Just got to Jersey, came straight into work. Now we about to work about 30 to 40 hours straight. Oh man, it's about to be tough being in this truck all day, but gotta do what I gotta do. Salting all day. Spilled a lot of salt inside the loader, but yeah, ready to go, man. I'm starving. I need to eat some food ASAP to give me energy to do this all day long, all night. Just went to Chili's, got some good food, got some leftovers for later. It ain't start snowing too crazy. It's a little flurry. I don't know if you guys can see that. Some flurries going on right now. It ain't pop off yet, but soon enough it's gonna be snowing all crazy till tomorrow and the next day. So gotta be prepared. About to take a little nap, maybe chill. Who knows? Let's see. Here's a little update, guys. This is what you guys like, huh? This is about 9 hours in to the storm, and it's supposed to snow the whole day tomorrow. Who wants to be in the snow? Not me. But gotta make this money. This is what I signed up for, so this is what I do. But this, I hate. My future is definitely Florida. When my kids are older, I am out. I don't care, man. I have to go. This, I could just come visit this and let that be and leave. Don't want to be here with this crap that much longer, man. I hate the snow with a passion. The summer and spring is my favorite seasons. I'm gonna be working. Today's Monday now, about 3 in the morning. About to sit up, chill for a little, just slow down a little something. But it's definitely gonna pick up in the morning, so I'll probably show you guys a little update in the morning, see how it looks, see how much more snow we get. So yeah, guys, we here, man. Snowstorm is looking like a blizzard. I don't know. I haven't seen a blizzard in a little while, but it's getting pretty high. I don't know if you guys, it's just really white. Let me see. See if I can make this a little darker for you guys. Yeah, guys, crazy out here, man. The next day, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, plowing. And it doesn't go anywhere. There's too much damn snow out here, guys. But I continue working all the way probably till tomorrow sometime. I just can't wait to go home, take a shower, lay down and go to sleep. I don't know if you guys can tell how much snow coming in. It's crazy. I gotta set up and get ready and go back out again. Get out of here. This is what you people from Florida and California and places that don't snow like to see. Look at this shit. I don't even want to put it all the way in there because then I have snow all on my socks. Crazy, man. The car's stuck right there. Bananas, bro. Look at that. I'm trying to get out. Woo, that snow coming hard. There's nowhere to eat. I've been looking for places to eat. Oh, man, what a mission. It's kind of a blizzard, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's supposed to keep snowing until tomorrow, so. And it's, what time is it? 12 in the afternoon right now on Monday, and we still got Tuesday snow, so let's see how this goes, man. So here's a little update, man. 30 hours later, I'm still sitting in this truck right here, right, doing nothing because it's pretty much a blizzard. It's too much snow. There's no point of us salting, so they're letting all this. Oh, they're actually passing by right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. See the truck passing by over there. They're plowing the roads. So, yeah, man. We gotta let the plows do their job. And then when the snow starts stopping and slowing down, then that's when we start salting. Because the state is actually running out of salt. Everywhere throughout the state, all the trucks were salting. And the snow was just coming down, coming down, coming down. So we could not get it over, you know, we couldn't clear the road. Even with the trucks plowing and us salting afterwards, still. So 30 hours in. Says it's gonna snow till tomorrow night. Right now it's about 11 o'clock at night. So tomorrow at 10 o'clock at night, it may stop snowing, so I'll probably work until the next morning after that. So that's gonna be 3 to 4 days, 3 days. 3 days for sure, work straight. 3 days for sure work. I've worked and I've chilled. That's the only good thing about it. But then it's uncomfortable for somebody like me that's 6'4", 290 pounds right now at the moment, to be trying to lay down. And it's just, so not all trucks have that bench seat that they have normally. This truck is separate because the box is here for me to lift up the body, dump the salt and all that stuff. So it's tough for me, man. It's tough for me, man. Well, I hope everybody's home, because during the snowstorm you should not be driving around. There's people driving around. So I'm doing Route 17 in New Jersey, right by the American Dream Mall, which if you guys ever come to Jersey or New York, you guys should go see. It's one of the biggest malls in America now. It's probably the second biggest. It has a mountain of to snowboard inside, roller coasters. It has water theme park, Nickelodeon, everything. It's next to the Giant Stadium, even though the Giants suck, but still, it's good to see when you come into New Jersey. So yeah, guys, man, just gonna keep grinding, man, just working, and just another work vlog. So day in the life of a dad. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, man. Hit that subscribe. I need you guys to subscribe, man. We need this to go up a little bit. I'm gonna keep on grinding. I am not stopping. Got that new camera, which I love. So I'm gonna keep on going. Everything's just gonna get better and better and better. My editing is gonna get better and better and better. My cameras are gonna get better and better and better. My vlogs are gonna get better and better and better. My life's gonna get better and better and better. And hopefully COVID goes away so I can do things with my kids, travel, go here, go to theme parks, do all of that, because doing these vlogs is just working in the truck or in the house. I'm sure, you know, it's not gonna get the views that I would like it to get, which I don't care. But at one point in life, of me grinding and doing all these videos and editing, I'm sure gonna want to see views, you know, going up, and subscribers going up, and likes, and you know, comments and all that. So at one point in life, I'm sure I'm gonna want to see it up. I'm gonna care, but I don't care right now. I know it takes a while to build up your fan base, your family on here, on YouTube, and so I'm gonna just keep doing what I do. Hopefully this resonates with a bunch of dads out there, a bunch of moms that are dads, whoever, you know, anybody that's about to be a dad or already a dad, or grandfather, either or, because you're still a dad down the line, you know. So hopefully you guys can relate to my channel. I'm gonna just keep on doing what I do, and I'll give you guys another update towards the end of this snowstorm, because it's definitely a blizzard. 2021, man, started with a bang. Day three, 6 in the morning. We out here. The road, you could finally see it. They plowed it for hours, and now it's ready to get salted. So now it's my turn to do my job. Now I'm going up and down the highway, making sure it's clear for everybody to go to work. So I'm probably like, oh man, almost 40 hours in straight. And we still got all day today. Who knows how much is gonna snow? I hope a little bit, because I'm not trying to be here 50, 60 hours straight. I'll tell you that right now. So, but the roads are looking pretty clear. They plowed it all up. Look how much snow there is up there, guys. crazy. So yeah, man. Snowstorm, the big blizzard of 2021, man. So guys, it's looking like it's gonna be 48 hours to 50 hours us working out here, grinding, cleaning the highways. Trucks are plowing, we are salting, making the roads safe for you guys. That's what we do, man. That's what we do. It's part of my job, man. So everybody's out here on the road now because it's looking very clear and clean. Blizzard of 2021 was crazy so far, and we still got a couple hours of snow. Says it's gonna snow till 7 in the afternoon. It's about 8 in the morning now on my second day or third day. I think it's my third day. Yeah, third day today. So yeah, man, struggle's been real in this truck, man, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Get this money. Make sure we can support our family, man. Support my kids. This is what I do it for. All the trucks out here plowing. You can see them passing by. Then after they plow, I saw. That's just how it works. It works the best that way. I just can't wait till a restaurant opens something so I can eat a warm meal. I want a warm meal. Starving. That's what's coming up next. I just don't know where yet. As soon as I see a place open, I'm parking and I'm going in. I don't care. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you appreciate my work, our work, my line of work. This was making you guys get to go back to work and go get some money. You guys, go get some money yourselves. Clear the highways and clear the roads so you guys can travel and do what you gotta do in life. And not have to stay stuck at home. Even though I know a lot of you guys' cars are straight covered in snow that I've been seeing on Instagram and everywhere. Everybody posting their cars covered completely, and then the plows plowing the street so it covered the other side of the car. So I know you guys are having a mission right now, and I'm gonna have that mission after I get out of work because I gotta plow and clean my car out. So Blizzard 2021, man. I know I look rough, man. I know I look rough. I need a haircut so bad. Definitely, if I make 48 to 50 hours, I'm sure I'm not working the next day. So that next day, gotta make sure I go and hit that barber shop up, hit my cousin up, get right, man. Cuz I need a cut, man. I need a cut. When the road is clean, all the accidents are starting to happen. I literally went up Route 3, one highway, and went straight. One highway all the way up straight, and I saw 3 accidents. A car flipped onto the side. That one's all the way on top of the mountain. I don't know if you guys got to see it. A truck hit a pile of snow, but the roads are clean now. So I can get the visuals to see. Clean. We're salting right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. So all on the highway. Yeah, guys, I'm about to stop getting this something to eat finally. So finally stopping to eat. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon on my 3rd day of work straight without getting out. It's flurrying, but the streets are pretty clean, so it says it's gonna snow till like 6, 7. But hoping I get out soon. I'm exhausted. I'm almost 50 hours in working. 50 hours in 3 days, guys. 50 hours in 3 days. In less than 3 days, to be honest. So hopefully I'm off on these next 2 days, because I can't do it. Look at this crap. Look at this crap. I have to go eat though. Hungry hippo.